show you how to take a screenshot on this device. To do that, you need to press Command, Shift and 4. And if you will click it, as you can see now, my pointer is like a cross, it's not normal mouse pointer. And now I can choose the array of my screen to capture it. So just choose and release the left mouse, and as you can see, screenshot was successfully taken and now it was saved on my home screen. Cool, but we have the other way to take a screenshot. To do that, we need to click Command, Shift and 3. In this way, our device will capture the full screen, and as you can see here, I have the full screen, the screenshot, and it was saved on my home screen. So wait a while. Yes, it's here. And the last type of the screenshot. So maybe not. Maybe this was the last type of screenshot, but I want to show you one more thing. If you will take a screenshot, you can click on this icon of your screenshot and wait a while, and here you will see the panel to just edit your screenshot. So here we have the pencil, for example, and here we have a lot of instruments to edit the screen capture without any plugins, any other applications. So for example, we can crop the image, as you can see. We can draw something, we can change the color, maybe it was, so as you can see, we can change the type, we can change the color, we can add the text, and we can do really lot of changings, for example. And then just click OK, and in this way it will save your screenshot. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.